Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my blog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Today is Saturday. Hindi makonect sa CCTV. Something wrong. 17th of May, everyone. Time check is 6:40. Maaga ko nagising kanina, 2:40. So, nag-text sa anak and then, ayun, nakatulog ulit. So, ngayon na lang ulit nagising. And the weather for today is about kumuha lang ako ng sa baba. Kasi kailangan tumayo dahil magbabanyo. 9 degrees for today at the moment. Kaya malamig. Malamig dito sa kwarto. So, ayan lang. Coffee tayo, everyone. The Mangostina coffee. See you when I see you, everyone. Later. May ganap. Sa Batteries kami. Bye at the moment. Time check. 8:15 everyone. Tupi-tupi muna tayo ng mga nilabhan. Ayun pa, dami kong tupiin. Almost 2 weeks na hindi nakapagtupi. So, ayun lang everyone. At baganapan dito sa aking bodega. Bodega sale. Kaya ayan lang, malamig, grabe. Malamig na naman. Weather is ang weather is 10 degrees. Wow. 'Di ba? 10 degrees. So, ayun lang. Yun mo lang muna update ko, everyone. At tuloy natin ang pagtutupi. Good morning again.
May susot ang pantalon.
Yun, good afternoon. Hindi siya modest. Good afternoon, everyone. Time check is 12:51, everyone. We're going to Battersea. May doon ang care group sa church and then merong practice and then may decoration again. Preparation for tomorrow. So, medyo busy kami ngayon. So, nakalimutan kong bumili di ba magluluto ako, kaya kailangan nating umuwi maaga.
At ako yung maglalaba kasi wala ko susukitin sa luwa. Alam mo nang puputi damit ko.
Okay, that's good.
Kaya sabi ko
Tapos, ayan lang everyone. See you when I see you. Update na lang later, everyone.
Pupunta sana ako.
Time check, everyone. It's 2:42. We are here already. Waiting for anyone and everyone. Ayun. Early bird kami. Kaming dalawa, early bird. So, ayan, everyone.
for decoration. Yeah, I think so. I'm just
Well done everyone for the balloon. We need to put some message there. And then
Put those things over there to keep the area.
this is our setup for today, for tomorrow.
Just make sure that the
That's it everyone.
let's put
And the food is going there on the other side.
that. And then the ones that we use.
Yan everyone, update. We are here at 1809 update Marlborough. Ding dong. Ayan, good morning everyone. Good morning daw, good evening pala. Grabe. Good evening everyone. Bago matulog, nakaluto ng pandan jelly for tomorrow sa church. So, andito yung mga, yung mga ingredients. So, bukas na lang ulit ng umaga. Lagay natin at dyan lang muna. And good night, everyone. Kain tayo, everyone. Good night, God bless, and I love you all.